Widespread area of northern Ontario. I'm not going to be too surprised to see that heat warning expanded over the next couple of days, especially in the south. But hey, it's a good day again to hit up a patio, maybe under an umbrella. I might suggest that just to give you a little more shade. 31 is what we're anticipating mid-afternoon today. And then overnight tonight, 21 is the not so low. So once we get above 20 degrees, it becomes very uncomfortable for sleeping. It's going to continue to feel like 28 once you factor in the humidity. Tomorrow, a repeat, 30 degrees for Toronto, feeling like 39. It's going to be 31 degrees in Peterborough. That's what we're expecting anyway. And 31 in and around Waterloo. Good looking weekend to head to the cottage or a campground. Of course, there isn't always access to air conditioning in some of these areas. So make sure that you do stay hydrated, have ways that you can find shade if that sun becomes just a little too much. We're going to talk about that potential for thunderstorms in some areas. For the most part, high pressure is going to be dominant. We're keeping an eye on a cold front as well as Henri, which we'll talk about a little bit later in the newscast. But here's our forecast radar just to give you an idea of what's in store today. Overnight, maybe a pop-up shower, but most communities are going to remain dry. It's into tomorrow afternoon that we see signs of maybe a few thunderstorms developing, mainly for the cottage country areas, but can't rule out the possibility here in the GTA. And then Sunday is looking like a mostly dry day, but the models indicate maybe a 30% chance of a pop-up shower at this point. Here's the 7-day. So again, plenty of hot days in store Sunday. When I say we're getting relief from the heat, how does 29 degrees sound like for a bit of a break? Because we're back into the 30s for Monday and Tuesday of next week. Again, slight risk of a thunderstorm on Saturday, maybe Sunday as well. And overall, though, we're pretty dry over the next 7 days. Next, potential signs of rain look to come by about next Wednesday, and that's a 40% chance of showers. Still going to be hot during the day and the overnight. So that's your look at the weather. Michelle, back to you.
Thanks, Lindsay. And still to come on CTV News at noon, just over